Hey there, what's up with Munowatch 3.1 Pro? We fixed the update process so it runs smoother, took out the login and sign-up steps. Also, we made improvements to its overall stability and performance. Didn't someone say T-Fast Digital Agency? Head over to our Telegram channel, eChort Fast Hub, or our WhatsApp group to get it downloaded. We've tested it on Google TV casting, and it works flawlessly. Download whatever you want. No need for logins or sign-ups. Just go ahead and use it. Remember, this is all about education, so keep it that way.